Hello everyone, this is JD from Benchmark, and today I'm going to show you 2 ways to delete objects in MicroSurvey CAD. So we're going to start on the main viewport, which should be the first thing you see when you open a project. I've decided that some lines and labels here in the top right need to get gone. The first way to delete these objects is to simply select them and then to hit the delete key on your keyboard. Nice and simple. Note that this has to be delete, not backspace. This is a very easy way to delete a lot of objects at once, but it can be pretty haphazard. There's a more meticulous way to delete these same objects, though it does take longer. First, go to the Edit toolbar, and then, after I undo the last deletion, click Delete. Simply click on whatever objects you want deleted. Notice that when I click these gray lines, I can select either them or the cyan lines below them. This is why I say this method is more meticulous. After selecting everything we want deleted, hit Enter on your keyboard. Notice again that only the gray lines were deleted because only they were selected. So when you need very specific things deleted, use this method. If you just need to delete a whole schwack of things, use the Delete key on your keyboard. And that's about it. Please consider liking and subscribing, it really helps us out. And if you have any questions about this video or about any others on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit our website at bench-mark.ca.